Today we're exploring the breathtaking golden shower tree, typically known as Cassia fistula. Every spring, it turns to a golden waterfall. Let's discover why gardeners love it.
The golden shower tree is easy to recognize. Each flower cluster can reach up to 50 centimeters in length. The tree develops a wide, graceful canopy.
Grows in Pakistan, India, Nepal, and Thailand. It is planted around the world. It is a beautiful ornamental tree.
One of the most exciting things about this tree is its spectacular flowering season. It usually blooms from April through June, depending on the climate.
Warm climate.
During peak
Water it moderately. It becomes drought tolerant once it is established.
Did you know? It is the national tree of Thailand. It attracts butterflies and bees. Its flowers are widely used in landscaping. The seed pods remain for many months. Golden shower trees are perfect for parks, for roadsides and home gardens, botanical gardens, and large landscapes. Planted in groups, they create.
If you enjoyed learning about the golden shower tree, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PlantHaven Garden. See you in the next gardening adventure.